What's going on, everybody? My name is Elijah, and if you're watching this, then you've made it to 2021. Congratulations, I guess. Now, I said in my last video that for my New Year's resolution, I wanted to start trying to post every Friday again. Seeing as I missed last week, I guess I f***ed that one up already. But that's alright. My other New Year's resolution was to start trying to make better content. And I am dedicated to trying to figure out how to make that happen. In fact, this week's video is in service of that. But before I get to the build, I just wanted to take a second to shout out to all of you cool cats and kittens who are watching or are subscribed, and one, say thank you. And two, ask you for some feedback. Tell me what you want to see. Do you want more step-by-step tutorial-like videos, or something more abstract and cinematic and artsy? I don't really know what I'm doing. So I figure until I get some feedback from you guys, I'm just going to throw a bunch of stuff at you and see what sticks. Anyways, with all that being said, let's get to the build. So the core idea behind this slider was that it was powered by a drill and a threaded rod. My thought was that with those parts, I'd be able to get a consistent and smooth motion on the slider. I later realized that this was a flawed plan because 1, the speed that the slider moved at was abysmally slow, although that could be a great asset in some circumstances. And 2, the motion of the threaded rod created a ton of micro bounces and jitters due to the rod not being perfectly straight. If you can find one that is straight, go for it, but good luck finding one. As you saw, I cut the parts of my slider out in my CNC because I just love seeing that thing run. But if you want to try and make this yourself, you could probably cut these out pretty easily by hand, especially if you didn't use a threaded rod mechanism. If you do want to try and make this slider yourself, then drop a comment down below and I'll throw together some plans and a list of all the items that I used. Assembly for this is pretty intuitive, so I'm just going to shut up and let you watch. Yeah, so that's that. I eventually decided to remove the threaded rod and just use my hand to move the slider, which is why it turned out a little bit choppy, because my hands are shaky. But I'm sure I can eventually figure out a way to remedy that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. Hit that like button if you are so inclined. And I'll see you next time.